In today's video, I am going to teach you how to apply coupon code on Constant Contact. This process is useful if you are signing up for a new plan, changing your current plan. We will go through the process slowly, so you know exactly where to look and what to check before you finalize anything. Start by logging into your Constant Contact account. Open Constant Contact in your browser and enter your usual login details. Make sure you are signing in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or organization. Once you are logged in, give the dashboard a moment to load fully. You should be on the main account area where you can access your tools, campaigns, contacts, and account settings. Now that you are inside your account, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see your account name or profile area there. Click on your account name to open the account menu. This menu is where Constant Contact keeps important account-related options, including billing, plan information, and subscription settings. From the menu that appears, select Plans and Pricing. After you select Plans and Pricing, Constant Contact should take you to the area where you can review your current plan or view available plan options. This is the part of the process where you decide which email marketing plan you want to use. If you are already subscribed, you may see options to adjust or change your plan. If you are setting things up for the first time, you may see different plan choices available to you. Take a moment to review the plan details on the screen. You may see differences in features, pricing, or contact limits depending on what is available in your account. Choose the plan that fits what you need, or adjust your existing email marketing plan if that is what you came here to do. This step matters because the coupon code will usually apply during checkout, and the final discount depends on the plan and pricing shown before payment. Once your plan selection is ready, continue forward until you reach the checkout or payment method screen. This is where Constant Contact shows the payment details before you complete the purchase or plan change. Depending on your account status, you may see payment information, billing details, a summary of charges, or a subtotal. Take your time here, because this is the screen where you will apply the coupon code before clicking the final payment button. On the checkout or payment method screen, look for a field labeled Promotion Code. It may appear near the order summary, payment section, subtotal, or billing area. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on the layout of your account, but it should be somewhere on the page before the final payment confirmation. If you do not see it right away, scan the page carefully and look for wording related to a promo code, promotion code, or discount code. When you find the promotion code field, click inside the box and enter your coupon code. Be sure to type the code exactly as it was given to you. Coupon codes can sometimes be sensitive to extra spaces or incorrect characters, so it is a good idea to double-check it before applying. After the code is entered, click Apply. Once you click Apply, wait for the page to update. Constant Contact should recalculate the order total and show whether the promotion has been accepted. Before moving forward, verify that the promotional discount is reflected in your subtotal. This is the most important check in the process, because it confirms that the coupon code has actually been applied to your purchase or plan update. If the discount appears correctly, review the payment summary one last time. Make sure the subtotal, discount, and final amount look right. When everything looks correct, click Pay Now to finalize the transaction. After that, your selected plan and applied promotion should be processed through your Constant Contact account, and that is all there is to it. You have now applied a coupon code on Constant Contact and confirmed the discount before completing your payment.